Hello everyone, my name is Safia Mohamed Umar, a doctoral student of the University of Abuja Sustainable Development Center. I'm presenting a research proposal on assessment of renewable energy potential in Northeast Nigeria. First and foremost, you ask what is renewable energy? Renewable energy refers to energy generated from natural resources that can be replenished over time, reducing reliance on finite fossil fuel and mitigating climate change. According to the United Nations Development Programme 2020, renewable energy refers to energy from sources that are renewable, such as solar, wind, hydro, biomass, and geothermal, which can help reduce greenhouse gases. Which can help reduce greenhouse gas emission. Types of renewable energy: we have solar energy, we have wind energy, we have hydro energy, we have biomass energy, geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, tidal energy, and biofuel. Benefits. The benefits includes the following. One, it is sustainable, it reduces greenhouse gas, energy dependency, it creates jobs, improves air quality. This proposal presentation comprises of three chapters. Chapter one is the introductory part, where you have the background of the study, the statement of research problem, the research question, the objectives of the research, the objective of the research, the hypothesis of the study, the scope of the study, the significance of the study. Talking about the objective of the study as follows. One, to assess the availability and potentials of renewable energy resource in Northeast Nigeria. Two, to evaluate the feasibility of implementing renewable energy technologies in the region. Three, to analyze the socio-economic impacts of renewable energy adoption on local communities. Four, to identify and examine the barriers to renewable energy development in Northeast region. Five, to propose actionable recommendations for policymakers and stakeholders. The research questions are as follow. One, what are the available renewable energy resources in Northeast Nigeria? Two, how feasible is the implementation of the renewable energy technologies in the region? What potential socio-economic benefit could arise from renewable energy adoption? And lastly, what challenges hinder the development of renewable energy in the Northeast? Chapter 2, which is the literature review, comprises of one, conceptual framework, the theological framework, theoretical framework, and review of previous studies and empirical literature. Talking about a conceptual framework, the conceptual framework serves as a guiding structure for relationship between the various variables in the study of renewable energies. This framework will help in systematically assessing the factors influencing the adoption and implementation of renewable energy technologies in the region. The theoretical review provides a foundation for understanding the dynamics of renewable energy systems and their potential impacts. This section reviews key theories that inform the exploration of renewable energy potential in Northeast, focusing on how these theories relate to technology adoption, socio-economic impacts, and sustainable development. The theoretical framework provides a structured approach to understanding the complexities of renewable energy adoption in Northeast. The review of previous studies and empirical literature review of existing studies that have explored renewable energy. Chapter 3, chapter 3 we have the chapter 3 is chapter 3 is the methodology that will be used in this study. This study employs a mixed method approach of both qualitative and quantitative methodologies. The qualitative aspect focuses on exploring the perceptions, attitudes, and experiences of stakeholders. This includes interviews, focus groups with local community members, government officials, and energy experts. The quantitative involves the collection of measurable data regarding renewable energy resources such as solar, irradiance, wind speed, and biomass technologies. This dual approach ensures that the research is comprehensive. Method of data collection. There are two types of data collection. You have the primary source and the secondary source. In the primary source, we are going to use interviews, focus group, questionnaires to get the primary data. While the secondary data will be collected from government reports, meteorological data, and existing literature review on renewable energy. The outcomes. The outcome of the purpose of this research are as follow. One, identification of renewable energies resources: solar, wind, hydro, biomass potentials in Northeast. Two, you have two, two, two. Two, quantification of renewable energy potential, estimated capacity and energy generation potentials of each resources. Three, mapping of renewable energy resources, which is the geographic information system, GIS maps, illustrating resource distribution. Four, improve energy access and reduce energy poverty. Five, enhance economic growth and development. Six, mitigation of climate change impact. So, in conclusion, in conclusion, the proposed research aims to bridge the knowledge gap on renewable energy potential in Northeast Nigeria, a region plagued by energy poverty and conflict, by conducting a comprehensive assessment of solar, wind, hydro, and biomass in energy resource. The findings and recommendations will contribute to the global effort to increase renewable energy adoption and mitigate climate change. The research proposal has a timeline of 12 months and a budget of approximately 42 million. Now you ask, why the Northeast? I choose the Northeast region of Nigeria because of the abundant and untapped renewable energy resources there. The Northeast region of Nigeria comprises of six states, which are Borno State, Adamawa State, Bauchi State, Gombe State, Yobe State, and Taraba State. This region has abundant solar energy resources which can be harnessed and used to solarize Nigeria. Yes, to solarize the whole of Nigeria. Yes, it is possible. What do I mean by solarization? Solarization refers to the process of converting sunlight into electrical or thermal energy using solar panels or other technologies. There are two types of solarization. You have photovoltaic and solar thermal energies. I want to use this opportunity to thank the Director of Sustainable Development Center, Professor Sule Magaji, for his further guidance. I also want to thank my other lecturers, Professor Sadiq, Professor Umar, Dr. Giwa Gorozo, Dr. Akabi, and finally, I also wish to thank my supervisor, Dr. Hadiza. Thank you all.